Hello, I'm Mark, Pastor with United Services, talking about DaVinci Roofing. It's one of the premier roofing in Omaha, Nebraska, and throughout the world. Usually you put DaVinci Roofing if you have a wood-shaped neighborhood, a wood house, a house with wood on your roof. You can also do it on any type of house, but usually that's where DaVinci goes. There's two types of DaVinci, of course. There's a shake roof, and there is a slate. They're about the same price. DaVinci has custom colors, and they also have classic colors for any of your color of your home. If you have a gray house, or you have a beige house, or if you have a blue house, they have different colors of shake. The shake or the slate is beautiful. It's impact resistant, meaning against hail, has a fire coating on it, which also helps out, of course, if there's a fire, but also for your insurance premium, it will lower your cost. There is different types of DaVinci roofing. There's upgrades on those, and we'll get into that in our next video. Right now, we have an incredible special with our roofing products, from asphalt all the way up to DaVinci. Or DaVinci Roofing, we have the biggest discount of the year for people that have wood roofing and they want to upgrade to a DaVinci, either slate or shake. Please let me know when you're available or would like to talk about it, or we could even give you an email bid. But right now we have over $1,000 off our normal pricing.